Welcome to Bird Nest Suites, where modern comfort meets Istanbul's vibrant energy. For booking details and special offers, check the QR code or link in the description below. Nestled in the heart of Istanbul, Bird Nest Suites is a fresh, stylish retreat that opened its doors in 2024, offering 33 beautifully designed rooms. Whether you're here for business or leisure, each space blends contemporary aesthetics with thoughtful touches to ensure a relaxing stay. The hotel's prime location puts you steps away from the city's rich history, lively markets, and stunning waterfront views, making exploration effortless. Flexibility is key at Bird Nest Suites, with check-in starting at 2 p.m. and check-out as late as 11 a.m. Families are especially welcome. Children aged 6 and under stay for free. The hotel's recent renovation ensures every detail feels crisp and inviting, from the stylish decor to the essential amenities. Enjoy round-the-clock convenience with 24-hour room service, perfect for satisfying cravings any time of day. For travelers on the go, laundry and dry cleaning services take the hassle out of packing light. Stay connected seamlessly with free high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the property, ideal for both work and leisure. Bird Nest Suites is more than just a place to stay. It's your stylish home base in Istanbul, designed for comfort and ease. Ready to book your stay? Don't forget to scan the QR code or click the link below for exclusive offers. We can't wait to welcome you.